Hey guys, I'm Rohit Naik and today I'm going to show you the unboxing of the MSI Prestige 50. Let's get started. So this is one of my best laptop which I purchased. So as you can see, it is a Prestige 14. The one which I got is the Indian model. Comes with this box and some materials. So here is the laptop itself and some warranty information, I guess. Also, I got another package with this particular laptop. It looks really gorgeous. It got these chamfered edges. Laptop is extremely light, extremely light. It's one of the best machine which I've seen when it comes to Windows. Let's boot this machine. I'm not sure if there is a power. Also, I got other accessories with this laptop. It came in this particular box. So, what do we have it over here? We got like a normal connector, adapter, and that's it, guys. You just get the charger in India, but if MSI is watching this, please upgrade, give some additional components like the dongle and all, which we get for the international models. So it's a type C Thunderbolt, comes with a 90 watt. That's it. And this is the main connector which gets connected to the cable charger. I'm not so sure why I'm not getting able to boot it. Maybe the battery is less. So again, this is the overview of it. Comes with that factory steel seal. Comes with Windows. And okay, I can see there is one plastic covering over here, but overall this laptop feels very sturdy. Many of you all will be definitely comparing this with a MacBook Air. Let me tell you guys, uh, compared to the MacBook Air, the keyboard and everything is looking very nice. The trackpad is wide, but it's not lengthier compared to a MacBook Air, and it is pretty light machine, aluminum build, and the rear feels a bit plasticky. That's the only thing what I can see. Comes with a single fan, and the hinge is nice. If you all see over here, the hinge is superb. So what happens is, this particular part, it raises the keyboard, and this allows a better airflow for the laptop. It's extremely sturdy. I mean, I don't think so this camera is making a justice to this product. You can see that MSI logo, it's a bit hidden over here. I got the Core i5 10th generation Prestige 14 model. So that's it for my video, guys. Hope you like it. If you like this particular video, please share it, and maybe MSI tomorrow sees this particular review and gives us more goodies on their 14-inch laptop. I got this on Flipkart for around 80,000, which is a premium price which I paid, and I still didn't get that particular dongle which most of the international market are getting it. I mean, this just got around two Thunderbolt connectors, okay, and there is no way to connect Ethernet port, so I need to buy the dongle anyways. If I'm connecting it to my router manually, I have to buy that particular dongle anyways, which is around 5 to 7,000 Indian market. But overall, the build quality is superb. I don't think so there is any better built machine uh, in Prestige series compared to this one. This is extremely portable, extremely light laptop. I will charge this particular laptop and share my opinions and thought on this. So another thing is, you have the fingerprint reader over here, and also Windows Hello, and there is a IR camera. And guys, let me tell you, there is just no bezel. In fact, it is this tiny, guys, this tiny. Let me show you. So with this, I would like to end my unboxing experience with this. It's good. I didn't had the Apple wala experience unboxing this particular product and the limited. We just get the charger for the Indian variant. So with this, I'll be posting more reviews on this particular laptop after testing it thoroughly. So hope you guys enjoy this particular review. Please like, share, and comment what you think about this particular laptop. So build quality and the looks of the laptops are premium compared to any. I mean most of the laptops, even better than the Dell, I feel so. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.